Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of web development, and trust me, things are about to get interesting. We're putting two of the most popular programming languages head-to-head, PHP and Node.js. Now, whether you're a coding newbie just starting or a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set, you've probably come across these two giants. They're both used to build some of the dopest websites and applications out there, but they each have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we're going to break down the battle between PHP and Node.js in 5 key rounds, their individual strengths, performance, scalability, and finally, the learning curve for each. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which language might be the perfect fit for your next project. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about PHP. This language has been around for ages, and for good reason. It's like that reliable friend who's always there for you. PHP is super beginner-friendly when it comes to web development. I mean, it was practically built for it. Plus, PHP has this massive community of developers, which means there's a ton of support available online, forums, tutorials, you name it. And if you ever run into a problem, chances are someone else already has, and figured out a solution. And let's not forget about the documentation. PHP's documentation is like the encyclopedia of coding. It's incredibly thorough and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to find the information you need. Now, in the other corner, we've got Node.js, the young contender looking to shake things up. Node.js is known for its speed and efficiency, thanks to its non-blocking I/O model. What that means is that it can handle multiple requests at the same time without breaking a sweat. That makes it perfect for building real-time applications like chat apps or online games. And here's the kicker: Node.js uses JavaScript, which is the same language used for front-end development. So if you're already familiar with JavaScript, learning Node.js is going to be a much smoother experience. Chapter 3. Round 3, Performance, the need for speed. Alright, let's talk performance. This is where things get really interesting. In the past, PHP has been criticized for being a bit sluggish, especially compared to compiled languages. But PHP has been stepping up its game lately, with newer versions showing significant performance improvements. Node.js, on the other hand, has always been known for its speed, thanks to that non-blocking I/O model we talked about earlier. So, which one comes out on top? Well, it really depends on the specific application you're building. For simpler web apps, PHP can definitely hold its own. But for more complex applications that require real-time data processing, Node.js might be the better choice. Chapter 4, Round 4, Scaling for the win. Next up, let's talk about scalability. When we talk about scalability, we're talking about how well a language can handle growth, how it performs when you have a ton of users or a lot of data to process. Now, PHP has been around for a while, and it's been used to build some pretty massive websites and applications. So, it's definitely capable of handling scale. But it often requires more careful planning and optimization to make sure things run smoothly as your application grows. Node.js, with its event-driven architecture, can be easier to scale in some cases. Its ability to handle a large number of concurrent connections makes it well suited for applications that are expected to experience rapid growth. Chapter 5, Round 5, Learning Curve, Climbing the Ladder. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve for each language. As I mentioned earlier, PHP is known for being beginner-friendly. Its syntax is relatively straightforward, and there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Node.js, on the other hand, can be a bit more challenging for beginners, especially if you're not already familiar with JavaScript. There are some concepts like asynchronous programming that can take some time to wrap your head around. But, if you're willing to put in the effort, learning Node.js can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, the skills you learn with JavaScript can be applied to both front-end and back-end development, which is super valuable. The final verdict: which language takes the crown? So, there you have it guys, we've broken down the battle between PHP and Node.js in 5 key rounds. We've seen PHP's strengths in web development, its massive community, and its excellent documentation. We've also witnessed Node.js' speed, scalability, and its advantage in real-time applications. Ultimately, the best language for you comes down to your specific needs and the type of project you're working on. Both PHP and Node.js are powerful tools, and they each have their own unique advantages. Now I want to hear from you. Which language do you prefer, and why? Drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more epic tech showdowns. Peace out!